Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Android phone if you got that AI assistant on. So you can press the power button and the volume up, and this will open up the menu. Otherwise, it can be the power button and volume down. So let's swipe up, and this menu should pop up after like 2 seconds, and it might take a screenshot, but that's how you get the power menu to open up. So this is a Samsung phone right here. We can swipe on down from top right and go to power right here, and you can turn it off. Now on your Samsung phone, if you go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to advanced features, side button, go to long press, and we can turn off the digital assistant by going to power menu right there. Now when you press that power button, that will turn off the phone, and this menu will open up. Now on your other phone, you can just swipe on down, go to settings, and this will be under system, wherever system is. Can't find it, just type in gestures. Here's gestures. Go to press and hold power button, switch to power menu right there, and then you can just turn off that AI assistant. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.